The word for you in Spanish, when it comes before a verb, like you do, you have, is tú. Tú. You, tú. The way to say you have is tú tienes. You have. Tú tienes. Tú tienes. I have. Yo tengo. Remember? Yo tengo. I have. You have. Tú tienes. Pronouncing yo and tú every time is not required. It's understood even if you say tengo or tienes simply. Now to ask the question, inflection of the words changes, nothing will change, only the inflection of the words changes. Tienes, do you have? Tienes, tienes, just ask it in a questioning tone. Now, how to ask actually, do you have a car? Do you have a car? ¿Tienes un coche? ¿Tienes un coche? Or ¿tienes un carro? ¿Tienes un carro? Do you have a car? Now ask the question, do you have it? Do you have it? ¿Lo tienes? ¿Lo tienes? Now the statement, not the question, the statement. You have it. You have it. You have it. Lo tienes. Lo tienes. You have it. It's the statement. The very important question in Spanish, what? What means ¿qué in Spanish? ¿Qué? What? ¿Qué? ¿Qué? Repeat please, it's very important. Now ask, what do you have? What do you have? ¿Qué tienes? ¿Qué tienes? What do you have? ¿Qué tienes? Now ask, what do you have for me now? What do you have for me now? ¿Qué tienes para mí ahora? ¿Qué tienes para mí ahora? What do you have for me now? ¿Qué tienes para mí ahora? I hope you understand this.